Everything's bigger in Texas, especially the problems this Karen is about to create for officers at a Texas airport.
Come here. All right. Good officer.
Make sure you don't hear no vomiting on us.
She was informed that she is not free to leave, and then she continued away. So,
Oh, Lord.
cowabunga it is.
Did she go on the stop?
She's standing on the toilet. You can do your investigation through the stall. Everyone's out? Alright.
Are you okay?
No.
I'm just checking on you. What's going on? Okay, I'm a police officer. I'm here to check on you.
Thank you. I need to talk to them right now.
Okay, open the stall. Let me.
I'm not comfortable to do that right this second.
Okay, well I can talk to you through the stall. Or are you trying to go home or on vacation?
No, I'm going to work. What do you mean?
Okay, do you want to come out here and I can help you out? What airline?
I don't feel sincere in your voice that you're not helping me out.
I'm here to help you. What airline are you flying with?
Obviously, no airline. That was the last airline tonight. I'll just fuck up my money, bro, because I didn't want to make a scene for y'all.
Okay, so do you want to go try to get rebooked or?
How am I going to get rebooked, bro? That was the last flight tonight.
Well, do you live in Texas or?
No, I live in Orlando.
So why did they want you to get off the flight?
I have no idea. Obviously, somebody doesn't let me. The whole plane said it was fine. I don't understand what the issue was. How would you feel if somebody kicked you off some shit, some crazy shit that didn't even matter?
Well, I don't work for the airline, so.
It don't matter who you work at. How would you feel?
I would feel upset.
If you to do some shit for no reason.
I would be upset.
That shit would, like, it would scare you. You'd be scared.
Yeah, and I want some
I'm
answers.
scared.
But that's why the police are here to help you get some answers.
The police?
Yeah.
The police for what?
Yeah, to help you out.
Yo, y'all are tripping.
So do you want to go to the ticket counter to try to get rebooked or get some help? Cause sitting in the
refund on my ticket?
yeah, they'll give you a refund.
I'll get a refund.
Yeah. Can you open the stall? I'll let you stay on the toilet and I'm gonna stand right here. I'm not even gonna come in. I'm not even gonna come in.
You're gonna arrest me for what?
Who said I was gonna arrest you?
No, I don't feel safe. Can I just call 911 from here?
We are 911.
Yeah.
No, you're restricting me from 911 access because I want to.
We are 911.
No, you're restricting me from 911 access. That's a felony.
We are the police. When you call 911, we're going to show up.
Right, but also, if I call 911, it's still a felony from me. I can't.
Did you have anything to drink that would make them think that you would need to be on the plane?
What?
Why would they kick you off? So did you have anything to drink
I
today?
was fucking around with my friends.
Okay, but did you have anything to drink today? It's not against the law to drink. I'm just trying to figure you out here.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah.
Woman to woman?
Yeah. Well, do you want to go see if you can get on the plane? Because it's still there.
I'm not gonna fuck up their whole thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But if you go over there civilized, maybe you
I
can get
swear to
rebooked.
God, be the most civilized person you ever met.
Okay, well let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
We're gonna be here with you the whole time. This is all we want for you to come out.
I swear to God.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's your ID? Do you have your ID?
Yes.
Get it out for me. I'm gonna go to the frontier for you. And you swear you didn't have anything to drink today?
You're fine. Yes, I swear.
You did not have anything to drink today?
I'm not being out of control.
Because you can fly if you haven't had anything to drink and they think you're safe to fly. But there has to be a reason for them to have kicked you off the plane. So just be honest. Just be honest. Yeah, let's just go out here. Just be honest. Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes.
Where is it?
On my phone.
Can you get it out for me?
Yeah, you should.
Where's your phone today?
Yeah.
Okay. But just be honest. Did you have anything to drink today?
It's a matter of fact, I'm not answering that.
Well, it's not a big deal. It's not against the law to drink.
It doesn't matter. I played the fifth.
You plead the fifth?
Yeah. I don't know why y'all are playing. Like, my flight already left. Y'all are just
But you
playing
can get
games.
rebooked for the next
No, y'all are playing games. My flight already done left without me. Y'all are playing games.
Can you get your charges?
It's gonna please don't
Not right now, because you're detained, okay? We're investigating, but they called and said that you were possibly intoxicated. Seriously, yeah, that's why we're here.
Who?
The airline.
I kicked you out.
What's her name?
Karina.
Karina.
Let's do that right here.
Yeah.
My dad's a lieutenant. Do you want to call him?
No?
Okay, so let's do that right here.
So, did you have anything to drink today?
Is that against the law?
No, that's
Do I
what
need a
I'm
lawyer?
asking. No.
I'm gonna call a lawyer.
For what?
Before I ask answer any more questions, I'm gonna call a lawyer.
Did you have anything to eat today?
I'm gonna call a lawyer. Before I answer any of your questions, I'm gonna call a lawyer.
Did you have anything to eat today?
I'm gonna call a lawyer.
Have you eaten today?
Talk to my lawyer about it.
Okay. You haven't had anything to eat today?
Talk to my lawyer.
You take medication?
Talk to my lawyer.
Are you flying?
Talk to my lawyer.
Are you going to Georgia?
Talk to my lawyer.
Atlanta?
Talk to my lawyer.
Okay.
We can both be ridiculous. It's fucking ridiculous. Like you know damn well it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Well, just hang tight.
I'll be happy to leave.
I'm gonna go see what Erin said she did today. Hey, that lady got removed from the aircraft. What was she doing? She was what? She was intoxicated. I mean, but did she do anything other than like how did you tell she was intoxicated?
I didn't do it. It was Malik.
Malik, what was that lady doing?
Screaming, spitting, cussing, recording, everything.
Okay. Thank you. That's what she was screaming.
We have no idea.
All day. Okay, Miss Karina.
Please don't touch me if you don't have a reason to.
Okay, I have a reason to. Okay.
I'm arrested?
Yes, you're going to be arrested for public intoxication. Okay.
Seriously?
Yep, and the reason is because I talked to the airline and they said that you were kicking and screaming and causing a
I
disturbance.
was not doing any of that. Wait. No, I want to
Take your
witness.
backpack off. Okay, it's all being recorded. Just take your backpack off, okay?
Are you serious? Take your backpack off. No, I'm not doing that.
Okay, will you
I'll call my dad. I'll call my dad. No, I'll call my dad. Calm now. He's a lieutenant. Calm down.
Take your backpack off.
No.
Take your backpack off.
No. No, I was not kicking and screaming anywhere on that plane. No, pull up the finish.
Just calm down.
No.
Okay. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that.
You're gonna arrest me for... I swear to God, I'm gonna This is annoying.
Is your address on your license correct?
I'll call my lawyer about that. Don't touch my shit. I don't want him touching me. You're a fucking liar.
No knives, no weapons, no drugs.
No.
You take prescription medication?
No.
For what?
ADHD. 7 a.m. I really don't feel comfortable with him touching me.
I'm standing right here.
I don't want him touching me. I literally don't want him touching me. 5 seconds. I'm asking you not to let him touch me. I don't want him. I don't want you touching me. You're stop. What? Bad enough?
Do not.
I don't want him touching me. I don't want him touching me.
Stop.
I said I don't want him touching me. I don't feel comfortable with him touching me.
You okay? Yeah, I'm good.
No, I don't want you touching me.
Well, see, that's why he was doing that, because now you're kicking.
Yeah, because he's touching me. I don't want him to.
Well, right now you're under arrest, and he has that ability.
Wow, because I'm under arrest. Okay, fuck you.
That's how it works.
Fuck you. I don't want him touching me. I'm feeling really uncomfortable. I feel like it was like...
He's just holding your leg.
No, the fact that I was even arrested, I feel like I'm not like it wasn't in the right. If I felt like it was in the right, it would be understandable, but I already felt uncomfortable about that. How would you feel?
Your dad's a police officer,
How
right?
would you feel?
Your dad's a police
I'm
officer,
asking how would
right?
you feel?
I'm asking your dad's a police
I'm asking
officer.
how would you feel? No, he's touching my ass with his leg.
That's
Fucking
your
take your
foot.
feet off of it.
Everything's being
That's not my
recorded.
foot.
It is.
Well, stop fucking touching it.
Hey, Karina, you promised to be good. We'll let you stand back up. I need you to say that you're not going to kick my officers, okay?
Yes, Daddy, I promise. Daddy, I'll be a good girl. Yes, Daddy, let's go.
Karina, they're gonna get you up.
What he's doing? That's what he's doing. He's on a power fucking play move for no fucking reason. I don't want to touch you. I seriously don't.
Here,
I don't want to touch you.
Karina.
Do not.
Okay, I said no, I don't want him touching me.
Stop.
I said I don't want him touching me.
What don't you understand?
What don't
I
you
don't want
understand?
him
Do not kick the
Do
officer.
not kick an officer.
Okay, so I have female officers escort me like I asked. That's a simple
Do not
thing.
kick an officer.
Okay, I don't want him touching me.
Do you understand?
He touched me inappropriately.
Do you understand?
No, he touched
Don't.
me. I won't.
Is she here?
Call my lawyer. Get my lawyer. Get my lawyer. He touched me inappropriately. I don't want him to touch me again. You're touching me in my ass. You're touching my ass right now. No. Bro.
Do not kick an officer.
No, I don't give a fuck. Get my lawyer. I don't want him touching me inappropriately.
Ready?
Yep. Karina, stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Alright, how long is this for? Y'all need to tell my lawyer where we're at. Y'all need to call my lawyer. Because I don't feel comfortable being around y'all. Don't talk for
Stand up. Stand up. We're done being nice. You already kicked me.
Because he was touching me. Yeah, it was so great. Yeah, fuck you.
Face the car. Spread your feet out.
What time is breakfast at? You ever been to jail?
Breakfast.
Wait, no, give me my phone now.
You get your phone when you get there.
No, give me my phone.
You get your phone when you get there.
Because I'm going to hold
Step into the car.
Do not
Hold it up. Oh my God.
Step into the car.
get in the car.
No.
You got to pull her leg.
Yeah.
No, call my lawyer. Call my lawyer first.
Karina, step your.
Oh, you go to a holding facility? Piece of shit, bro. I remember my first beer, bro.
Good lady.
Hey, we're hiring.
I don't want to, man.
Come on over. You'd be great.
Man, y'all did this. Don't handle her.
As Karina was taken to jail, she continued resisting and giving both officers and jail staff a rough time as they continued her booking process. She was charged with public intoxication, assault on a public servant, and resisting arrest, search, or transport. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. When people are drinking too much, cops can smell the truth long before they hear it. And Karina starts to use a common tactic here. She uses hostility and deflects in an attempt to get the focus off of her possibly being drunk. But here's the bottom line. If you've been drinking, just own it, because lying to officers doesn't erase the smell on your breath or your behavior that got you in trouble in the first place. She didn't want to be searched, didn't want to be touched, and certainly didn't want to hear that she was under arrest. But pretending you're sober when the whole airport knows otherwise is just foolish. And public intoxication isn't just about being drunk. It's about being a disruption, a safety concern, and a liability in a high-security environment like an airport. She locked herself in a bathroom stall, denied the obvious, and then resisted officers who were trying to keep the situation calm. That's not harmless behavior. And in an airport, you don't get to put on a theater show. The officers didn't escalate this. Karina did. And she did refuse to take that responsibility until the law made that decision for her.